Hello viewers, my name is Mahesh and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the upcoming iPhone 12. The iPhone 12 price leak states that this year iPhone could be cheaper than the OnePlus 8. The iPhone 12 price to start at Rs 49,999 rupees. The iPhone 12 price are out and surprisingly iPhone 12 will cost cheaper than the recent OnePlus 8. iPhone 12 series will start at $649, around Rs 49,220 rupees, which is lesser than the $699 iPhone 11 price tag. The next generation iPhones could be manufactured here in India as per Economic Times. iPhone 12 will be made in India as Taiwan's contract manufacturer Wellstar is planning to invest Rs 2,900 crores in India at the Bangalore facility to ramp up production. It aims to send the made in India iPhone 12 units to the stores by mid 2021. Currently, Apple manufactures a total of 6 Apple models in the country. iPhone 12 will be the 7th Apple smartphone to be manufactured in India. Both the first and second generation iPhone SE models are made in India, apart from iPhone 6s, iPhone 7, iPhone XR, and iPhone 11. In the US, the OnePlus 8 price starts at $699, around Rs 51,823 rupees. Even the last iPhone 11 series comes at the starting price of $699, around 51,823 rupees approximately. So, iPhone 12 is going to be the cheaper than the current OnePlus 8. Further, the report claims the iPhone 12 with 6.1-inch OLED screen model and LiDAR sensors will be priced at $999, around Rs 74,065 rupees. The top iPhone 12 model from the iPhone 12 series with a 6.7-inch OLED display, triple rear cameras and LiDAR sensors cost Rs 81,479, which is of $1,099. iPhone 12 India's launch could happen in October. So iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro launch will happen in October. Tipped by Tech Analysis, iPhone 12 series launch will get delayed this year due to coronavirus pandemic. Apple 12 pre-orders will start on October 12, the same week, and start shipping to next week on October 19. iPhone 12 Pro shipping will start sometime in November. Apple iPad 10.2 and the latest Apple Watch Series 6 will be unveiled on September 7th. Without any event, the products will be launched with a press release. Everything about iPhone 12 series has been leaked till now, including all the varieties, official prices, key specs, cameras, and more. The upcoming iPhone 12 series will include 4 different models. Display sizes being the major differentiations. The iPhone 12 models will feature almost similar specifications with 5G support in 2020. Apple is expected to launch 4 new iPhones under the iPhone 12 series, which would include 2 premium variants, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Max, iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. Here is what been out about the upcoming new generation iPhones. Starting with the base model, the Apple iPhone 12 will come with a 5.4-inch OLED Super Retina display. iPhone 12 will be available in different storage variants, 4GB RAM, 128GB and 256GB models. The upcoming iPhone 12 will be powered by the latest Apple A14 chipset. It will support 5G with a dual cameras system at the back. iPhone 12 price will start at $649. The 128GB iPhone 12 will cost $649, around 49,220 rupees. And 256GB iPhone 12 will cost $749, which is around 55,530 rupees. The next in the series, the Apple iPhone 12 Max will feature a large 6.1-inch OLED Super Retina display screen with similar specifications as iPhone 12. The iPhone 12 Max will also be available in 2 storage models, 128GB and 256GB versions. The base iPhone 12 Max with 128GB storage will cost $749, which is 55,530 rupees, and the 256GB iPhone 12 Max will cost $849, which is 62,944 rupees. Moving up, the iPhone 12 Pro will come with a 6.1-inch OLED Super Retina XDR display with 10-bit color depth manufacturers by Samsung. Apple iPhone 12 Pro will be powered by Apple Bionic A14 chipset, 6GB RAM, and will be available in 128GB, 256GB and 512GB storage models. The iPhone 12 Pro will feature a stainless steel body with 5G support and triple rear camera with LiDAR. iPhone 12 Pro 128GB, 256GB and 512GB models will cost $999, $1,099 and $1,299, which is 74,065 rupees and 81,479 rupees and 96,307 rupees respectively. The top-end iPhone 12 model of the series, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, will feature a 6.7-inch Samsung OLED Super Retina XDR display with 10-bit color depth with similar features as iPhone 12 Pro. It will also be available with 6GB RAM in the 3 storage options, 128GB, 256GB and 512GB. iPhone 12 Pro Max will also feature a stainless steel body, 5G support and triple rear camera with LiDAR. iPhone 12 Pro Max 128GB, 256GB and 512GB models will cost $1,099, which is 81,479 rupees, and $1,199, which is 88,893 rupees, and $1,399, which is 1,03,721 rupees respectively. So that's it guys. I hope you like this video. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.